Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this NOCO 12V plug socket with battery clamps. So if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So this is the GC017. This has some clips on it and a 12V socket. You can connect these clamps to a battery and then you have a 12V socket like you would have inside of a car. So on the back here it says 30-inch length. So the clamps look like they're like a copper-coated steel maybe, and then they have plastic on the outside. There is a fuse on the positive side. Let's see if I can open this up. We have a 20-amp fuse there, and it's one of these mini fuses. On the other end we have the socket. Pop it open. There we go. So it has a rubber cap on it. So when you're storing this, you can keep this in here. It'll keep it clean. So I have a little sealed lead acid battery here to test it with. So this might be a little tricky to clamp to. We'll figure it out. So I don't know that it matters a lot, but I'm going to clamp to the positive first. Typically in a car you would connect up to the positive first. And then I'll connect to the negative. So we should have power here now. I'll plug in this little USB car charger, and the light is on inside. So I'll plug in a phone charging cable, and I'll plug in my phone. So you can see that's charging. So there are a lot of different uses for an adapter like this. You could keep this in your car, and if you're out and about, you could pop your hood and clamp this on and plug an adapter in and charge your phone with it. Now it may seem like you could just plug this adapter right into your car and charge your phone, but in a lot of modern cars your car has to be on, but then you're burning up your battery keeping your car on. This way you're only running this charger by connecting this directly up to the battery. Now you would have to make sure you didn't drain your battery completely down, but if you're just charging a phone you should be fine. You could also use this in emergency situations, like you could purchase a 12-volt battery and charge it up just for purposes of running accessories. Probably the best battery you could use in that situation would be a deep cycle battery. So aside from a phone charger, you could also use this to run a portable vacuum, portable inflator. There are lots of accessories that use the 12-volt socket, and being able to clamp directly to the battery can keep you from having to turn your car on to use those accessories. You could also use this on an RV with a deep cycle battery. So that's the NOCO 12-volt plug socket with battery clamps. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.